Hey, remember those two trailer fires? Fire. Gosh, are you kidding me? Second axle brake on this thing. So my bad luck jinx just kicked in again. Just had a trailer fire. Luckily I had my fire extinguisher, my camera in one hand. Well, I got an update today. So if you missed the original video, I had two trailer fires. They were caused from something that happened during the manufacturing. If you'd like to check it out, I'll put a link in the description because it's kind of interesting and it really caused me a lot of headaches, caused me a lot of heartache, and it cost me $2,700. So in hindsight, I'm glad I paid the fire department the $2,000, otherwise it would have been on my auto insurance. So anyways, the claim process was a little bit challenging. Lippert made it kind of a pain. Not only did I have to send them the bills like stamped paid, but they also wanted a copy of the check that had cleared from my bank, and they wanted a copy of my credit card statement showing that the auto repair to almost $700 was actually paid and not returned, stuff like that. I'm like, okay, whatever. They're making me jump through hoops. Let's see what happens. So that was a few weeks ago. I finished the claim, and lo and behold, today I got a check for almost $2,700 in the mail from Lippert. So they did make it right. They made us whole, even though it caused me a lot of headache and a lot of strain. And had I not paid that fire department bill, my auto insurance probably would have went up for 3 years. So I'm glad I did that. But they at least made us whole, paid the bill. Country Blacksmith Trailers, they did put the new set of bearings in and all new brakes and that. So theoretically, that trailer should be solid. I'm still a little bit nervous, to be honest, driving it. You know, tires falling off on the road and causing a fire, pretty dangerous. But they said they got it cured now properly, so we'll see. So that's the update. Thanks for joining us. I hope to see you on a future video. Thanks a lot. Have a good evening.